Statistical investigation asked the question, in 2014, how many hours of sport did Year 7 students participate in compared to students in Year 10? The data was sourced from the 2014 census at the school, and question number 26 was used for this investigation. From this stem and leaf plot, you'll see that Year 7 students participate from 0 hours of sport to 39 hours of sport per week. And here you can see that in Year 10, students range from 0 hours to 40 hours per week. This double column graph compares students in Year 7 to students in Year 10. I have grouped the hours for the double column graph as 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and 30 to 39 and 40, as there's such a wide range of results, and this shows more accuracy. This sector graph shows the percentage and exact number of students' hourly participation in sport. The hours have also been grouped as hours vary so much and it's hard to see the comparison when looking at each individual's exact hours. As you can see, a 0 to 9 hours per week was the most common with 24 students. The Year 10 sector graph shows an even greater amount of students participating in 0 to 9 hours of sport per week, with 31 students in that category. The two-way table compares Year 7 students to Year 10 students and shows the number of students whose answers were used in this statistical investigation. As you can see, there are 40 Year 7 students and 43 Year 10 students. For the dot plot, I used each student's individual hours of sport per week instead of groups. The dot plot shows that hours range from 0 to 39 for Year 7 students, and the highest frequency of students participating in the same hours of sport per week was 4. The Year 10 dot plot shows a range of 0 to 40, and the highest frequency of students participating in the same hours of sport per week was 6. The summary statistics show the mean, average, median, mode, and range. You can see that the average shows by Year 10 students decrease their sport participation by 1 hour a week. The mode for both groups stays the same, with 0 to 9 hours per week being the most common group. So, what's the answer? The data clearly shows that students in Year 10 participate in less hours of sport on average per week compared to Year 7 students. So what is the best graph to use to compare the data for this statistical investigation? Well, I think the stem and leaf plots are the best way to display and compare the data, as it's easy to see the range of hours without it becoming too complicated to read and interpret. However, there are limitations to the data, as only 50 random children were selected throughout the whole of Australia. If you were to specifically look at states or suburbs, you may be able to get a more accurate result. Thanks for watching my statistical investigation. I hope you learnt something and enjoyed the video.
Created using Powtoon.